Hey traders, welcome back to the channel. Today is October 8th, 2024, and there's plenty of movement happening in the Forex world. Whether you're tracking the dollar, the euro, or yen, things are shaking up. Let's dive into today's Forex news and look ahead to what tomorrow might bring. So, what happened today? Well, the US dollar took a slight hit earlier in the session, but it quickly recovered against the euro and British pound. It looks like recent data out of the US surrounding employment numbers gave the dollar some extra momentum. That boost came after we saw a jump in the US 10-year Treasury yield, which reached its highest point in almost a decade. On the flip side, the euro was under pressure, not just from the dollar, but also due to some weaker than expected economic reports from Germany. Manufacturing is struggling, and that's keeping the euro in check. If you're in any euro positions, you've got to stay sharp here. The ECB is stuck in a tricky spot balancing inflation without letting the economy slow down too much. Let's talk about the yen. The USDJPY pair has been trending upwards, and the Japanese yen is really feeling the heat. Today, we saw the yen slip further, as traders kept betting on the Bank of Japan sticking to its ultra-low interest rates. There's not much relief in sight for the yen, and unless we see some unexpected intervention, the path of least resistance still seems downward. Now let's talk about tomorrow, October 9th, and what could move the markets. First up, keep your eyes on the FOMC minutes from the last Federal Reserve meeting. Those details could give us more insight into the Fed's stance on inflation and future rate hikes. If the tone is more hawkish than expected, we could see the dollar surge even higher. Another key event to watch is the UK GDP data coming out early in the London session. If growth numbers miss expectations, the British pound could come under more pressure. We're already seeing some weakness in GBPUSD, so keep an eye on those levels. Alright, so what does this mean for your trades tomorrow? Well, for starters, dollar bulls should be looking for any signs that the Fed might stay aggressive with rates. If that happens, the USDJPY pair could keep moving up, and we might even test some new highs. For the euro, tomorrow could be a chance for a short-term bounce if we see any dovish from the US or any surprising data from Europe. But overall, I'd stay cautious about holding long positions on the euro unless we see a real change in fundamentals. That's all for today's Forex update and forecast for tomorrow. Make sure you're keeping up with the news and staying flexible with your strategies, because as always, the Forex market can surprise you when you least expect it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for daily market updates. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your trades tomorrow.